Hey guys, what is up? My name is Jay and welcome to another video. And today guys, I'm playing a game called Boat Drive. And look, oh my god, there's buildings in the background. Yay! What's that? I don't know. There's buildings in the background and oh my goodness, it's beautiful. It's like, I think of a town, Sydney in Australia. Yay, it's a beautiful town. Ah, no! I failed. Nah, it's just trees. It's trees. I wish it was a city. I wish it was a city or something like that. God. Oh, God. Well, let's get straight into it. Anyway, we're gonna play 1 or 2, and that's it. So, let's get straight into it. Come on, we can win. Come on, we can win. We can win. There we go. Oh, come on. Why does it have to be just one boat? Which is always... Come on! No, it always has to be one boat, doesn't it? Always has to be one. So close, I thought I went past it then, but nah. Oh, bring it on. Come on. Can I be first? Come on. Come on. Come on, I can do this. Woo! Come on, I can win already. First time, and I can do this. Come on. On a third, I have to stay. I have to stay in second. At first. Come on. Careful. Come on, I can do this. Come on. And boom, up. First place. First place. Oh, first place in that one. What about second in this one? What's this? Come on. Not second place in this. Oh no. Alright. Oh no. How am I gonna... No! Damaged. I'm damaged. What? What's that? I don't know, I'm doing terrible here. Corners, it's the corners. I don't know, is it? Yeah, right. There we go. Come on. Right, I need to concentrate. But the corners are a bit dodgy, but like the corners are a bit dodgy and like curved. It's really curved and they're like all over the place. Come on. I can do this. Oh. Come on, I can do this. Oh my god, second lap. Second lap. Oh, come on. Right, I got to learn these corners. They're annoying me now. These corners are like, they're so tight and like, so, not tight, but like, I mean like, you know, stuff like that. Like, I'm trying to think. Come on, think, Jay. Think. So, oh, come on. Why are you clicking your fingers, Jay? You know what, guys? Glitch. A glitch. That happened. I went through the ground. In reality, my boat would have broke up straight away and blew up. See, it happened again. It would have blew up. My boat would have got damaged. I don't think it would have blown up, but I think they would have got damaged though. My boat. Come on. Come on. Yeah, instead of driving a car, this is actually quite good. A couple glitches in here, but does not matter. Well, this is actually a good way to maybe cheat or something like that. And I'm obviously not gonna win it. So does that mean that? No, you have to win because to unlock another. I'm gonna try this one again. Then I'm gonna be done. Then I'm done. Come on. Come on. One more time. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Actually, try and keep up with them this time. Come on. It's just these Norman. No, not Norman. Not Norman. These corners. Where did Norman come from? I don't know. These corners are annoying me, so because they're so so thingy. Come on, are you serious? Oh, come on. At least I've managed to keep up with them. I was gonna think, oh no, you don't. Well, second lap. I'm in last place. And I'm failing already. Wait, is that it? Did it just go? I swear to goodness. The boats did just go. When you're not looking for a split second, because I swear to goodness, the boat just went right past me. Oh, no, I can see it. I can see it now. I can see it. I can see it. Come on. Come on, I can do this. Oh, come on. Please. No, I'm not gonna win it, am I? Cause, you know, I'm last place. And the boat is out of sight. No, and actually I can still just about see it. The boat in front, the green boat in front of me. There he is. There it is. And he's across the line. And I'm across the line in last place. Brilliant. Brilliant. Okay then. Anyway guys, I'm going to thank you all very much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy guys. Bye.